A lot of people struggle with push-ups. And sure, maybe you've already hit 20 to 30 reps. And don't get me wrong, that's a solid achievement. But that's where most guys get stuck. And in one of my recent videos, I talked about how a good standard for all men is to do 50 push-ups. And I got quite a few comments saying how that's unrealistic. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get so strong at push-ups that you'll be doing them as a warm-up. And a simple workout routine you can do no matter what level you're starting at. First, the main reason why most people never get stronger at push-ups is because they don't treat it like a main exercise. Push-ups is one of those exercises that people just try to do as many reps as they can until they burn out. And after 20 to 30 reps, anything beyond that is entering the realm of endurance training versus actual strength training. For example, the bench press. If your goal is to bench 225 pounds, you're not going to get there by benching the empty bar for 30, 50, or 100 reps. You're going to add weight and keep adding weight until you get to 225. And so if you want to get stronger at the push-up, that's the exact direction that we need to go. We need to stop doing endless reps and focus on either adding weight or changing the variation to keep things challenging. So here's two ways you can increase the difficulty of the push-up. The first way is simply adding weight. You can use a backpack, loading some weight, or you can use a dip belt. I prefer the dip belt because eventually you're gonna get so strong that you'll probably rip your backpack. And this is also my preferred method because you'll slowly be able to increase the weight, and now the sky is literally the limit. And a great goal is to be able to do 100 pounds for 10 reps. Now, if you don't have access to weights, then this second method is for you. We are going to start doing more extreme versions of the push-up. You're going to start with deficit push-ups, and then when that gets easy, you're going to go into push-up claps. And with push-up claps, there's more variations. You can do double push-up clap, you can do behind the back push-up clap, you can do triple push-up claps, and if you prefer not to do the push-up claps, you can do one-handed push-ups. And a great goal is to do 10 one-handed push-ups. And just to keep you safe here, if you currently have shoulder problems, wrist problems, then the push-up clap variations might not be for you, because the most important thing is to make sure that you're doing the variations that feel most comfortable and safe for you. Now that you know how we're gonna make the push-ups harder, I'm gonna give you a practical, simple workout routine that you can do. But before we go into the routine, today's video is sponsored by myself. And if you enjoyed this kind of content and you find it useful, you can support the channel by liking the video and hitting the subscribe button. This workout routine will be good for 2 to 3 days out of the week. Make sure to have at least one rest day in between. I do not recommend doing this every day because we're going to be putting your body under a lot of stress. And rest and recovery is part of the process to getting stronger. We are going to be following what I call the rule of 8. 8 reps will be our goal rep, and we're going to do 3 sets. And here's the very simple rule. When you can do all 3 sets and you get all 8 reps, only then do you advance. So let's first start with beginners. If you're currently struggling to do knee push-ups, your goal is to get 3 sets of 8 with the knee push-ups. Once you can do that, you can start doing halfway down push-ups on your toes. And then once you get past that, you can start doing chest to ground push-ups. Once the chest to ground push-ups feel a lot easier, only then are you gonna start adding weight or go up a progression if you're just doing body weight. For adding weight, do little increments. You can start with as little as 2.5 pounds. This is also why I recommend using weights, because it's a lot more simple to just keep adding weight every workout. The problem with body weight progressions is that the jumps can be pretty extreme. You might be able to do 8 reps with one variation, but once you jump up another level, maybe now you can only do 2 or 3 reps. That's also why we're only going to progress when we can do all 8 reps for all 3 sets. And if you do struggle with the body weight variations, what you can do is do as many reps as you can with the harder variation. Maybe you only get 3. And then you'll do the remaining 5 with normal push-ups. And you keep doing this until you get all 3 sets for 8 reps with the harder variation. And because we're treating this like strength training, because it is, we're going to rest a minimum of 2 minutes per set. And you can rest even longer if you need it. And that's the simple workout routine. If you watch this video all the way through, comment down below how many push-ups you can currently do. And then check back here in a few months to see the progress that you've made. Because once you implement this routine, your push-up power is gonna shoot through the roof.